Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here with the Matep sisters, thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. If you are new and you have not, certainly if you're new, you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. And if you're coming back again to watch this video, thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I will just give you a minute. In fact, acha tu nikupe 1 minute you subscribe, okay? Not really a minute, maybe 30 seconds. Click the subscribe button, the red button down somewhere here, okay? Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you. We love you so much. Today I'm alone. We talk about health and fitness, and I usually shoot with my sister Juliet, who is away. And today we have a very interesting video for you. We're actually doing a cooking video, and we're going to show you how to make some home meal that is easy and that takes really a very short time to cook and is healthy, because we've been talking a lot about eating healthy and incorporating a healthy healthy meals into your lifestyle, into your weight loss routine. And so it's very important for you to ensure that you're eating healthy. All right, so today we're going to be cooking chicken, stir-fried chicken, some mixed vegetables and mashed potatoes. So this is my recipe. It's usually how I cook my breast chicken and my mixed vegetables, and I hope you like it and you can try it. Okay, so let's get into it. Let me show you the ingredients. Okay guys, so these are our ingredients for the meal prep, or rather for the meal that we're making today. So we have our chicken right here. We have already cut it into pieces. We have a green and yellow pepper, pili pili hoho. We have garlic and ginger. I normally mix them together. We have some chili because we really love chili in this house. We have onions. We have tomatoes, tomato, I don't know. We have carrots. This is actually for our mixed veg, carrots, and we have gourds. So these two are for our mixed veg. And then for the spices, we have we're actually not using beef masala. We have chilies. Also, if you love your food spicy, then you might want to add chilies on top of the real pili pili here. We have paprika. We have our black pepper. We have turmeric. We have salt. We have what is this? Chicken masala, and some olive oil. Certainly, oil is a must. So all this is our prep area. We pre-prepped so that it becomes easy for us to take you through the cooking. Okay guys, so we've already preheat our pan. Always ensure that you preheat your pan so that when you start the frying session, it becomes super easy. So I'm using a maker because somebody else is cooking from the other cooker, so that's why I'm using the maker. So we're going to start with our olive oil. This is the oil that I normally use. Okay guys, so the first step is to put olive oil on your pan. You take your chicken breast, your chicken pieces, okay. Then normally I just put in some black pepper. Black pepper gives it a bit of taste, okay? Then some salt. Then just keep flipping it. Just keep flipping. The reason why we fry the chicken is so that we get a brownish golden look before we start making the stew out of it, okay? So guys, chicken is really good because it's white meat and it's recommended for if you want to lose weight, or if you don't want to eat red meat, you can always do chicken or fish. Yeah, so this is, and it's very much available, okay? So you can always make a lot of this. So you can eat this for 2 days. You can, you know, cook and just, you know, put this in the fridge. Okay guys, so you can see that the chicken has started browning. So this is what we want. Okay, so you can the chicken, you want it golden brown, like so. Looks so yum already. Smells so good. Oh, wow. This is so good. So guys, make sure that the chicken is golden brown. Don't let it burn. So you need to be, you know, reducing your heat so that it doesn't burn. So we're going to transfer it into this plate with some paper towels so that it can start in the oil. Okay guys, once you have removed your chicken, you use the same pan with the oil. You put your onion, let the onions cook until they're golden brown. Okay guys, so you want your onions to be brown like this, then you can add your ginger and garlic. Okay, you know, let that get in and let it cook for like a minute. Let the ginger and the garlic cook for like a minute. So that the onions are cooked with the garlic and ginger. So we put the tomatoes. So once you've added your tomatoes, you want to add a bit of salt. Just kidogo, because remember we had added salt in the chicken. Then add paprika, 1 teaspoon of paprika. 1 teaspoon of chicken masala. We're also going to add a bit of turmeric, so just half a teaspoon of turmeric. our chilies. So add as many chilies as you want, or depending on really how you want the chicken to taste. Okay, because some people are not chili people, so you don't have to add a lot of chili. Okay, then just stir that. It smells so good, guys. It smells so good. Ensure that the tomatoes cook, are well cooked. Okay. Then we will add a bit of this. We will leave some for our mixed vegetables. Let's start. Add a bit of tomato paste, like a tablespoon of tomato paste. Then I will add a bit of water. So let that simmer for like a minute or two. So after 1 minute or 2 minutes, we're going to add our chicken. Okay, so you let it simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes, and your chili chicken stir fry will be ready for serving. Okay, so it's been like 2 minutes, so let's check. You see the way it looks, guys? This is so good, guys. So it will have that crisp and chili, taste. So our chicken is ready. So now we're going to cook the mixed vegetables. And I should mention that on the other side, actually we have the potatoes boiling. Okay, so I'll just add a bit of olive oil. Make sure the olive oil is hot before putting in your onions. So actually mixed vegetables are very easy to cook, and they're super healthy, alright? And you can eat them in place of, the actual veggies like spinach or kale or managu or whatever. So we will wait for our onions to brown. The onions are now brown, so you want to add your green and yellow pepper. Just fry. Then add a bit of salt. Then we will go straight and add in our carrots. Okay guys, so on my mixed vegetables I usually add this beef cube. Okay, just for a bit of taste. So just add a bit of it. Add in some taste. So we will cover it for like 5 minutes, just let it cook. Don't add water, okay? The trick with mixed vegetables is doesn't actually need to overcook, so do not add water. So I've not added any water, we'll just cover it for a few minutes, then we'll wait. So okay guys, so our mixed vegetable is ready. So this one takes about 7 to 10 minutes. Actually 7 minutes max, it should be ready. Okay. So this is the final product. And it looks and tastes so yum. So healthy food doesn't have to be boring, guys. You can always make it tasty. All right. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching today's video. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also let us know in the comment section if you've tried out this recipe and what you think about it, if you liked it. Also let us know guys in the comment section if you want us to be doing similar videos, healthy recipes that are very simple and easy to cook at home. We would really appreciate. And of course, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Really guys, it supports our channel and it just motivates us to keep on going creating content. Thank you so much to the 500 of you who have subscribed. We don't take it for granted. Okay, so share this video with your friends, with your family, and yeah, thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one. Bye.